There are two star buttons in your Hyundai. You may have seen them. There's one here on the steering wheel, and there's another one here on the dash. In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize what those buttons do. From your main home screen, you can press Setup, Buttons, and then you can see it says Custom Navigation Button. That's the button that's down on your dash that's integrated into the audio buttons. So for that button, this is where you pick what it's going to do. This is where you set what it's going to do. That is so neat. And there are a ton of different functions that you can actually use. And so on this one, since I already have a map button down there, we are going to just go hybrid. And so now when I press this button on the dash, it shows hybrid information. It's just that easy. Now let's customize the star button on the steering wheel. We're going to go back, Setup, Buttons, and then this is the solid star. That one is hollow, which is now hybrid down here. And so we're going to customize the steering wheel button now by pressing this. We're going to go Bluetooth audio. And so now when I press the steering wheel star button, it goes to Bluetooth audio. So that is how to customize the star buttons in your Hyundai. Thanks for watching, everybody.